dear students, welcome back to CLE Science online class. I hope you all are absolutely fine and doing well at your home. Dear students, in the last class we have introduced the concept of coal, what are the fossil fuels. In today's class we are going to discuss the coal, coal tar and coal gases. It is nothing but the fossil fuels. So, how the fossil fuels can be obtained? So, when the living organism is dead, then after a long years they will going to be converted into fossil fuels. So, what are the examples of fossil fuels? You can take the example of oil, CNG, natural gases and coal tar, coal gases. So, the petroleum, these are the examples of fossil fuels. Okay. So, now we are going to discuss in the brief manner these concepts. Okay. Students, just recall that what do you mean by coal. So, usually this coal is very hard, okay, hard as a stone, and it is a which color? It is a black in color. Okay. So, if you are talking about the physical properties of the coal, so coal is a very hard as a stone and it is a black in color, and here where we are using this coal, it is one of the fuels. Fuels means for getting the conversion, means for running the engines, for production of the electricity we are using this coal. So, coal is one of the fuels used to cook food, as well as in the earlier days by using this coal what people are doing, they are running the engines. Engines means for running the train we are using this coal. With this now also this coal is using for production of the electricity, is it? So, that is why when the electricity is produced by the help of thermal, or you can say with the help of coal, it is called as the thermal power plant. Okay. So, we are applying here high amount of a temperature. Okay. So, producing the electricity we are using this coal, as well as where we are using, it is used as a fuel in the various industries for developing, or you can say for production of the electricity. Here these coals are used. Next is the what are the constituent particles of the coal. So, coal contains mainly carbon, and slow process of the conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called as the carbonization. So, dear students, when we are talking about the carbonization, where the process of conversion dead vegetation means what? Just recall the things what you have learned in the microorganism concept. Okay. So, due to the use of this conversion, where the carbon is going to be converted into coal is called as the carbonization, where carbon is going to be converted into coal. Okay. The conversion of dead vegetation into coal. Dead vegetation means due to the microorganism. So, dead vegetation is converted into coal is called as the carbonization. Which process it is? Carbonization. So, here it was formed from the remains of vegetations. Coal is called as the fossil fuel. So, already you have discussed this fossil fuels. So, when it is heated in the air, coal burn and produces mainly carbon dioxide. So, usually dear students, when we are using these coals, lots of amount of carbon dioxide is producing in the atmosphere. So, due to the using of this coal, the imbalance of the temperature you can observe in the atmosphere. Okay. So, this have very effects in the atmosphere. So, here this is the brief introduction about the coal. Now, when we are talking about the categories of the coal, so it is a coke, coal tar and coal gases. So, first we are going to discuss about the coke. So, it is very tough, porous and the black substance. So, dear students, when you are talking about the coke, it is very tough. Tough means very hard, porous and the black substance, and it is almost pure form of the carbon. So, dear students, the question can be asked, which is the pure form of the carbon? It is the coke. So, coke is used in the manufacture of steel and the extraction of many metals. Extraction of many metals, when you are going to extract the metals from the earth ore or metal ore, then by using this coke we are going to refine the metals. Okay, so for extraction of the metals we are using this coke. Okay, it's have a very long process. So in the 10th standard you have a brief introduction about this concept of extraction of metals. Okay, so where we are using the extraction of many metals. Next is the coal tar. So dear students, coke is the solid form of the coal, whereas the coal tar is a liquid form of the coal. So it is a black thick liquid with the unpleasant smell. So those smell which is not suitable for us, which is very unpleasant to us, so it is called as a bad smell. So coal tar having the bad smell. It is a mixture of about 200 substances. In the coal tar itself 200 substances are there. So with the help of this coal tar they have a lots of application in our day-to-day life. Let's discuss one by one. So products obtained from the coal tar are synthetic dyes. Dyes means nothing but the colors. So by using the coal tar we can synthesize the coal tar synthetic dyes. Drugs means you can take a help of the wax or jandu balm or anything else which can be made up of with the help of coal tar. Drugs are nothing but the medicine. Okay, so drugs are nothing but the medicine. Explosive perfume. So dear students, for making the perfumes we are using this coal tar. Roofing the materials. Where is the roof? Okay, so on the upper side of the home. So for roofing the materials or anything else we are using this coal tar for attaching the things. And paints. Okay, so this paints is not a new thing for you. So this coal tar is made up of with the help of paints we are using the help of the coal tar. Next is the naphthalene balls. So naphthalene balls used to repel moths and other insects are also obtained from the coal tar. So dear students, naphthalene is nothing but the dambar goli. Okay, so don't get confused what is the naphthalene balls. Naphthalene balls are nothing but the dambar goli. So where we are using the repel the moths. Moths means another insects. So for how it is possible from obtaining the coal tar. Next is the coal gases. So dear students, coal gases is obtained during the process of coal to get a coke. So when you want to reach the things of coal to coke, so here you will get here coal gases. Okay, coal gases. So where we are using as a fuel in the many industries situated near the coal processing plants. So dear students, where we are using this coal gases, where the industries is based on the coal and the coal tar. So here you will get the coal gases. So where you will get this coal gases? So due to the process of when you are going for the coal to coke, so you will get this coal gases. So dear student, these are the difference between the coke, coal tar and coal gases. So dear students, coke are nothing but the solid form of coal. So how it is going to be defined here? It is a very tough, porous and the black substances, and it is the pure form of the carbon. Where we are using, you are using here for manufacturing the steel and extraction of many metals. And the process of coal to get coke also it as a coal gases. So when you will get the coal gases for getting the process of coke, from coal tar to coke you will get the coal gases. And what are the properties of the coal tar? It is a black thick liquid with the unpleasant smell. Okay, so this smell is not good, so that's why it is called as a unpleasant smell. So mixture of about 200 substances you may find in this coal tar, and here they have a lots of application already we have discussed. Okay, so these are the coal tar. What do you mean by coal gases? So it is the byproduct of processing coal to get coke. It is the byproduct. And where we are using, you are using here in the many industries as a fuel and mainly used as a heat source for getting as a light. Okay, so these are the coal gases. So dear students, here one example they have mentioned about the coal gases, that is once used for street lighting. It was used for this purpose for the first time in London in 1810. So by the help of coal gases, lightening the streets, it is possible. So when it was firstly used, it was first time in the London they have established these things. Okay, so these are the some basic points about the coke, coal tar and the coal gases. So dear students, in the next class what we are going to do, we are going to discuss on the process of petroleum and the refining of the petroleum. Till that time, stay safe, stay healthy, and hope we are going to meet in the class itself. Okay, so have a good day. Bye bye.